Hi there, I'm Parabl, Chief CUI Enforcement Officer. When I show up, I find the CUI. And when I find the CUI, I purple sticky note it. CUI, Controlled Unclassified Information. It hides everywhere. In your emails, your printers, your airports, even your selfies. If it's sensitive, I tag it purple. Hold it right there, citizen. That's a CUI exposure. Don't worry, I've got this. Saved another day, purple style. When you see me, you know your data's safe. CUI enforcement to report a possible exposure. Remember, the DoD gives you 72 hours to report, but I'm already on it. They call me CUI, and in Parabl world, purple means protected. In Parabl world, CUI has a protector, and that protector is me. Stay aware, stay alert, stay safe, stay purple smart.